So for today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to create a Substack account. So first, you need to access any web browser or search engine based on your preference, but in this case, I'm using Google Chrome because it is much easier for my end. And after that, you'll be searching for the Substack, and once you search for that one, you will see this page and you just have to click on the first link, which is the substack.com. Once you're in, you will see this page, and on the top right corner, you will see sign in. You just have to click on that button and you will redirect to this page, which is the sign in page for Substack. But in this case, sign in is able only for existing users, but in this case, I'm going to teach you on how to register or create an account. So as you can see under the continue button, there's a create an account highlighted. Once you click on that one, you will redirect to this page, which is you are going to register or create your account. You just have to toggle some checkboxes right here and click subscribe and continue. And for you to be able to do that, you just have to enter your email address and tick the checkbox and click the subscribe and join Substack. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.